Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. So the notification today I am going to discuss those have come from two companies. One is from Oracle, another is from Qualcomm. So at first we will see the notification of Oracle, and I will describe the detailed process of application in this video. So don't skip this video, watch this video till end. And if you have come first time in my channel, then please hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel so that this type of updates you will get as early as possible when I am uploading these videos in my channel. So let's jump into this video. So you can see the Oracle has published 2020 hiring notification for software developer position, and the qualification they are requiring for BE and BTech and also MCA, and they are requiring these and they are also asking the experience as 1+ years. So degree they are needed is BE or BTech or MCA, and the job profile will be software developer. And what will be your responsibilities? Develop SSS applications, join local remote agile team of developers, building tools for data migrations, work with state-of-art cloud technologies. Mainly you need to work on the cloud technologies, and you need to have demonstrate strong quality orientation and get involved in the organizational process that will enhance the organization productivity. And the desired skills or experience, they are asking for minimum 1 year of software development experience and also hands-on experience in continuous integration, test strategies, JIT and Jenkins, Gradle, Docker, and also proven working experience with REST APIs, knowledge of data migration tools in Plus, and also designing and developing applications using Java EE platforms, and profound insight of Java and JEE internals. So you have to have a good understanding of Java and experience with test-driven development, knowledge of data migration tools, Flask, etc. The preferred skills they are asking: experience in developing SSAS and PAAS, and a good understanding of cloud principles, knowledge of relational database, SQL and ORM technologies, SQL Alchemy, and knowledge of relational database, SQL, ORM technologies. As you know, Oracle is a database company, so definitely they will ask for a SQL knowledgeable person. So that's why these are most preferable knowledge they are asking for a candidate, and you need to have experience in Unix scripting, SQL. And if you think it is perfect for you, then apply for the link here. And after clicking the link here, you will be redirected to this page. And I'm clicking it for you once again. Yeah, so it is redirecting to the Oracle careers page, and you can see the job post is software developer 1 and the position is 20000 II5. ठीक है, तो here is also given all the notifications. If you want to go through it once again, then you can do it. I will give this description and in the link I will provide in my description box of this video, so you can find it from there. After going through these application descriptions, you need to click on apply online. After clicking on apply online, it will redirect it to the application form. And if you are a registered candidate previously, then you need to log in. Otherwise you are a new user, then you need to create a new account for it. So after clicking on new user, it will be redirected to the registration page. So from there you just need to accept the conditions, terms, and the languages must be in English, and you need to give your email address, a password, re-enter your password, re-enter your email address, and then you need to register here. One email will be come to your email address, and you will got the registration ID or login username, and the password you are putting here, you need to put it in the login page. Then you need to sign in again and apply for this job. So this is the whole procedures for the Oracle recruitment for the position of software developer. And so if you think it is right for you, then apply it, and I will give the description and the notification link in my description box. So next we will go to this notification, Qualcomm recruitment, and they are hiring for software engineer position, and they are asking for the qualification of BE BTech, and any MTech also can apply for this job. And they are recruiting for Hyderabad location, and the job profile will be software engineer, data modem or IPA team, and here also experience needed is 1+ years. And the minimum qualification they are asking for bachelor degree in engineering, information system, computer science, 1+ year experience with programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. And your preferable qualification must be minimum qualifications of 1 to 4 years of hand-on technical experience in developing software SW cycles and drivers on Linux or Android platforms, experience with Linux IP networking, and also a B+ hands-on experience on C, C++, Java, data structure algorithm and OS concepts, good analytical debugging skills. All these things you need to have. And after going through this notification, you need to click on apply link here, then it will be redirected to the its career page of Qualcomm. And from there you need to apply for this job. It is the official website, and you can see the apply button here. You just click to apply on here. Then again the sign in page will come. If you are new user, then you need to create your account by putting your email address, password, and you need to verify the new password. Then I consent, then create account. After that you need to sign in again with your registered email address and password. Then after signing on, you need to apply for this job. So that is the whole notification for both of these jobs, Oracle as well as Qualcomm. So if you think these are right options for you, and just don't waste your time, please apply for this job. And one more thing, this notification will not stay for long time, so when you are receiving this information, please try to go through it and apply it. Okay, so that's it, my friend. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more updates like this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so that you will receive all the notification from my channel. Thank you. Thanks for your support. Goodbye.